like that's pretty good. I don't feel like I need to go in on it any further. So this is the side I just plucked, and this is the next side that is just pre-plucked. So this is my side, and this is the pre-plucked side. So to further kind of like tint the lace, if I feel needs be, I'll go in with a little bit of foundation. Kind of just use my brush and kind of just, you know, rub it on like that, and blend it out.
Gravitate, 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 you. Innovate, 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 you.
This feels so soft and luscious. I love it, and you can part it further. So of course, as you can see, this needs to be cut down. Most of the time I end up cutting down the ear portion because it's usually too long for me. As you can see, you need to ensure that it's sitting right above your ears, and if it's not, then you just go in and cut down the extra. Alright, so I'm gonna cut it down, cut off the excess, this in a zigzagged motion, and then any part that needs a little extra length, just go in and do that.
Gravitate, 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 you.
And this, using the mousse, will actually give you a softer look rather than using the same got-to-be spray or even the gel. So I don't want it to look like a lot of baby hair, because that's the worst for me, that when, you know, like if I should do the baby hair, I don't want it to look forced. So I want to do the tiniest amount, and I just make it look effortless and swoop it. See how laid that looks? And I just really lay it down, and I put it over my ears because I want it to lay the sideburns as well. That is all I do, guys. That is literally all I do.
Radiate, radiate, radiate.
I'm all done with applying this wig. I hope my little techniques and the time I took to explain certain things today really helped you guys out. Really appreciate the support, guys. If you enjoyed this video, if it was informative, go ahead and give it a thumb up. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. It's very important to me. Thank you guys so much for watching. All the information on this wig will be in the description box. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, go and big up on yourself. Bye.